In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the verify device in Xero. Whether you're updating your two-factor authentication method or setting up a new device, these steps will guide you through the process smoothly. To get started, you'll need to go to the Xero website and log into your account. Once you're on the dashboard, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see your profile icon. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. For now, you'll want to select Account. This is where you manage all your personal details and security settings. Once you've clicked on Account, you'll find various options related to your account settings. Look for the Setup option and click on it. This step is crucial as it allows you to make changes to your security settings, including the verification device. Next, you'll see an option that says Use Xero Verify. Go ahead and click on this. Xero. Verify is Xero's own two-factor authentication app, which you can use on your mobile device to enhance your account's security. If you haven't downloaded the app yet, it's available on both Android and iOS platforms. Make sure it's installed on your phone before you proceed. Once you've selected Use Xero Verify, a QR code will appear on your screen. This is an important step where you'll need your mobile device ready. Open the Xero Verify app on your phone and look for the option to scan a QR code. Use your phone's camera to scan the QR code displayed on your computer screen. Once scanned, your device will be paired with your account, adding an extra layer of security. After you have successfully scanned the QR code, return to your computer and click the Continue button. This confirms that you've completed the setup process and that your new verification method is in place. And there you have it. You've just changed the Verify device in Xero. By following these steps, you've ensured that your Xero account is more secure with the updated two-factor authentication process. It's always recommended to keep your security details, such as verification devices, up to date to protect your sensitive financial information. Remember, keeping your account secure is vital as it protects your business and personal financial data. So if you ever need to update your device or change your verification method again, don't hesitate to return to these steps. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful for you in securing your Xero account. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore other Xero resources or reach out for support.